If you're intimidated by mixed media, my best tip is to start small, and that could be taking a piece of cardstock and cutting it into quarters and making little mini mixed media pieces on each of those panels, or even cutting up a sheet of cardstock into artist trading card sizes. You can get 9 or 10, I think, from a regular piece of cardstock, and that is 10 canvases for which to work on. And another thing you could do is take one piece of cardstock, just keep adding media, stamping, stenciling, and making what's called a master board. And then once you've got that sheet of cardstock all filled up, you cut it up into quarters or ATC size panels or strips, and then you create from those strips. You don't need to make it complicated to enjoy mixed media.
Lindsay Weirich, aka the Frugal Crafter, is a top resource for mixed media advice on the internet, and she's joining Altenew for an amazing collab you don't want to miss.
I just signed up for the collaboration of a lifetime, and I invite you to join me on this mixed media adventure. Join me and Altenew for an upcoming mixed media class that you're not going to want to miss.
That's right. Our first class went so well, we're doing another exclusive class with Lindsay, so she can share her amazing mixed media and watercolor skills with all of you.
My best mixed media hack that I'll never stop using is, well, just like it sounds. It's mixing my media. It's trying product A with product B, C, D, and E that I already have in my stash. In fact, anytime you get a new product, my tip would be to take that product and use it with all of your other things. See what works, see what doesn't. That's how you're going to learn and develop the new techniques that will make your art truly unique. And that's how you get to know your supplies. And when you know your supplies, you'll use your supplies. And isn't that what we all want to do? Use our supplies more?
All of Lindsay's tried and true advice is helpful for aspiring artists. If you're not confident in experimenting with mixed media, this is the step you need to improve your skills as an artist. Lindsay will be there live to help you learn different textures, colors, and patterns to create visually stunning compositions. She'll also provide tips and tricks for layering and blending different mediums to achieve exciting and complex effects. This is an event you don't want to miss.
I can't wait to see you at Let's Mix It Up with Media from August 25th to August 31st.
Hey there, Lydia here. I really do hope that you've just enjoyed the video. If so, please subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, turn on the notification bell so you can get your daily dose of crafty techniques and tutorials just like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.